Hello everyone and welcome to the 2025 Hershey RV Show. Today we're going to share a new RV floor plan with you guys from Keystone, and Nick here is going to show us this RV.
Standing in front of me, we got the Keystone Sprinter 3920 DSL. Take you around the outside real quick and then we'll look at the end. So with the Sprinter, we're going to have a full profile, wide body, 100-inch wide construction. First you see right here, we have large pass-through storage, accessible on both sides. We will have split 30-pound LP bottles, Dura storage up front with your battery hookup and solar connections. Our Sprinters are going to come with our Solar Protect 220 package, which will be a 220-watt bifacial solar panel, 30-amp charge controller, and is inverter prepped at that point. You have the Road Armor pin box in the front, water hookups, electric auto leveling 4-point on the off-door side. Continue back here on the DSL, you will notice we have two awnings, one covering the whole front half of the unit, one on the slide box right here. If you look down here real quick, you'll notice we had switched for the 25 model year and 26 model year, we switched to Maxxis tires. Very well known in the trailer industry. Great tire, great ratings, reviews, available at every discount tire in the country. As we work our way back, the DSL stands for a dual suite living. So this is a 2 king bed, 2 full bath unit. So you have a separate entrance off the rear that leads into the second full bath. That will then lead into the second full bedroom. You will also notice on all Sprinters, we have these black and white steps. These are a composite tread here, so they're very lightweight, easy to lift, very sturdy, very stable.
Very nice.
Been very popular this past year during all the shows. We'll head inside real quick. Now inside the Keystone 3920 Sprinter, you'll notice our entire living area here with our kitchen. On our off-door side slide, you're going to have a 16 cube 12-volt reefer that is standard at all Sprinters, a 30-inch over-the-range microwave, 21-inch oven. You'll notice throughout different models, we have the pop-up chargers built in, electric outlets, USB outlets on those, 50-inch TV. We switched this past year to a stainless steel front fireplace. It is a 5,000 BTU output, same output as the other fireplaces, just a stainless steel front.
It's a little different.
It is. It just gives a good look and it ties all the stainless in. It's really we like it. It's pretty cool. This is a little Bluetooth connection there. We have in-ceiling speakers and it also controls, there's an A-B switch, B being the outdoor speakers, A being the inside. You can pair up Pandora, your TV, whatever it might be, Bluetooth-wise, and stream your music that way. As we flip over this wall, first you'll notice we have a thermostat control here. On all the large Sprinters, we run 3 AC standard, Coleman Mach ACs throughout the unit. So this one here controls your back bedroom and your back bathroom, and your loft up above. I'll let you climb up here if you want to get a shot. We've got our ladder here that leads to the loft above the second main king. This has a maximum load capacity loft of 800 pounds. You've got a little shelf right there that's made for, little video games, consoles, set your TV on. Perfect area. You can have little beanbag chairs. You can have extra air mattresses, whatever it needs to be, or it can just be a storage area. As we head through this door, this will be the first, and what I refer to as the guest king bedroom. So you have a full king bed, storage, flip-up storage underneath said king bed.
Okay.
You'll notice on this wall you have a his and hers wardrobe closet, plenty of drawer space, countertop space, area for a TV to mount there. And that leads into the, as you saw from the outside, you have your back entrance. You have a full bath, smaller bath, but it is a full bath with that entrance. Again, perfect for your guests, kids, grandkids, whatever it may be at that point. As we head back up here to the main living area, you have a kitchen island. We have switched now for all 26 models. All islands have a flip-up countertop extension as well.
Nice addition.
Gives additional seating. You can add bar stools. You can add whatever you want. Just additional countertop space. Works out really well. On our flip side, our door side, this particular unit is shown in what we call the sand interior. This is a lighter colored interior. We also offer in teak, and I will draw your attention to the valances above. The camel color is the teak. The lighter color on the valance is the sand. This also shows what we call the super sofa. This is a full slide, a 5-chair setup super sofa. Every chair reclines, as I will demonstrate quickly. Very popular, especially in this floor plan on some of our larger ones. It's a great setup. This unit is also available in the traditional 2 theater seats, freestanding dinette option as well, which would be your dinette with 4 chairs, or you have your super sofa. As we come over here, you're going to have pantry, multiple shelves, spot for our trash can, little tip out trash can holder, additional drawers, cabinetry above. And then as we head up the stairs, we'll first come in. This is the main master king bedroom. Just like the other, king bed, flip up storage underneath. You have your sliding wardrobe, barn door closets. All sprinters. Stackable washer dryer prep, as you will see there. Additional storage here. And again, I will draw your attention to the ACs. We have the ACs. This controls your master bath and your master bedroom up here. You get 3 ACs in this unit. Definitely good for the warmer climates. You're going to be perfectly cool. Yeah. And then directly to your right, we have the master bath. So you're going to have storage on your left-hand side, little cubbies. We have incorporated this year, you will see a toilet paper holder. You will see some towel hooks up above. We have a towel hook over here on our right. Do not have power in my unit currently, but this is a lighted mirror you'll see here.
And what's your height standing in the shower?
So I am 5'10", so I'm going to stand in here. You will have 6'5" clearance in this upper deck. This is a 48-inch shower, so obviously a very large shower. We went this past year to this retractable screen door. Gives you plenty of room, large entry. It's a flexible micro antibacterial wipe on it. Helps clean it. You're not going to get that mold and mildew. I want to thank you for joining us today as we tour the Sprinter 3920 DSL. If you have any questions, please go to our website, KeystoneRV.com. All information is there. Also take a note, this is our 30th anniversary heading into 2026 of Sprinter, the original Keystone brand. We do have 2 exclusive 30th anniversary paint jobs available that are displayed here at Hershey this year.
Well, thanks for taking us through the tour, Nick. We appreciate it.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.